What's up guys? Bagong episode na naman. Paalis na kami. We're gonna go travel again. Marami kaming kasama this time. Yeah, we're gonna leave in about 30 minutes. It's gonna be a 6-hour drive to the airport. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa bagong episode. Let's go!
Hi guys, before we drive 6 hours to our next trip, we will have dinner first. Come on, let's eat.
Myself, I was not gonna eat anymore. That's a lie. Boom!
I ate up 6 sticks. I ate 6 sticks.
Good job. Hey, you eating some more? I thought you were done. B, anong nangyari sa wala nang kakain?
Bukas. Hi guys! Hi guys! Tara na!
Papalos excited. Stress out ka ba? Chill ka lang. Kasi stress out ka. She finally made it. Oh God.
Hello, Cebu!
Hey! Tito Jun! Hello! We finally made it.
Never again, Cebu Pacific. Never again, Boracay Airport.
Bale, pag-tricycle kayo, ma'am. Sabi niya.
Pag-tricycling ka na.
Kasi ganun talaga yung ginagawa, magta-tricycle.
Are you serious?
Grade yung traffic yung dito, no? Yes, sir. Jace, what's wrong? You know.
Ate, wala na naman pera. Ano na eh? Kaya ano yan? You touched it.
Itang data, kada naglilipit mo dito.
Nalamakan maki.
Doon na kami sa Shangri-La. Tago na naman siya.
No, you're doing this. Look up there. There's a spider.
Oh, there's a big spider.
You guys.
Oh man, it's always a spider in my video, Jazzy. Remember last time?
Yeah. The big spider. I'm presenting.
Gee, dito na kami sa hotel. Oh my God. Nakakapagod. Hey, we made it!
I'm presenting.
Woo! Crazy, Jace. Alright. Nakapag-check-in na kami. Punta na kami sa room. So,
No, 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 no. One, two, three, four, five floors.
so excited. You guys excited to swim?
Yeah.
Hindi ko papalapas ito. We wanted to swim here for so long now. Tara, sumahan niyo kami. Let's go. Ocean.
Go find a seat over there.
Good morning guys. Kain na tayo ng breakfast. Kakatapos na mag-gym. Wow, mami! Ganda-ganda naman! Ano ba, Tri? Nasa 1 tayo ata eh. Pati ba yung nadaanan natin? Morning guys, morning!
Nakita mo ito.
Ito, should wear dress all the time, B.
Why?
Looks so good. Ganda naman. Oh, ito yung pinunta ko dito.
Try again.
Yes, sir.
Nagaya ng pangtana lang. Iba sukat mo di amount. Hindi ka maala try again and naupay yung isugat.
Ito ang pinunta ko dito, G. Natikman natin kung matamis.
Di ba kasi ako nga na-scratch ko at 500. Ang punta, danto makalasinang. Siyempre, makita mo to, the expression ng, di ba?
Jace, there's their mango
Again ko
here.
na nandun, di ba?
Try it. Hey, try it.
Ano yung bel-bel yan, ipakita yung kanyak. Dapat ipakita
Yup.
natin ka na kung maalam. Dapat
Ay,
ang gusto ko pag maalam ay naku nga na yung surat mo,
It
dapat
tastes like the
500.
same.
Dai, hindi try again 1,000.
B. Matamis, B.
I taste it.
Nakimulang na. Paano pa ako ito ko sa kagal? Makakasakit ang girl lang girl. Sige, girl. Sabi mo nga ba niya ba binasa?
Mango and rice. That's all you need. Mm-hmm.
Dinaralo ko parang anak ko.
So, our plan for today is just staycation. Finally, enjoy namin to at magpapahinga dahil feeling ko, nawawala na boses ko. Kakasakit sa atakot. Kaya we're gonna rest. Iglip muna ako. Tapos na mag-nap, ready na mag-swimming. Let's go see the beach. Yo!
Ay, may hot air balloon ba yun?
Hindi! Para
Ay,
sailing.
para sailing pala.
Kami sa parang turo-turo style. Merkado.
Linas yung... Asan yung Mercado de Magdanaan?
Design? Yan ang vibe dito.
Hi, Nikay!
Bunutin?
Pag-itak ni picture.
Yeah, kasi mas macho sa kanila.
Si Mikay! Una, may datang pambantaan.
Panandal. Uday. Arm wrestling. Bye ko na.
Yo, papunta na kami sa susunod namin destination. Kami ng Naga, Cebu, to visit my family. So, alam ko hindi sila din nakikita. Wala na ako ng boses. I think I was so throat. Kaya tuloy-tuloy na.